Imagine drifting off to sleep with ease, feeling calm, relaxed, and completely at peace. For many of us, sleep can be a challenge. We carry the day's stress into the night, lying awake, restless, with our minds still active. Quality sleep is essential for recharging our bodies and minds, supporting everything from our mood to immune function and even our heart health. But sometimes we need help unwinding. Yoga can be an incredibly effective way to prepare the body and mind for restful sleep. Today, we'll explore 7 calming yoga poses specifically designed to help you relax, relieve tension, and prepare for a peaceful night. These poses are gentle, require no special equipment, and can be done right in your bedroom. Combined with a few simple bedtime tips, this routine can become your new ritual for a deeper, more restorative sleep. The power of sleep in our health. Before diving into the poses, let's talk about why sleep is so crucial. During sleep, our bodies repair tissues, consolidate memories, regulate hormones, and reset for the next day. When we miss out on good sleep, our body doesn't have the time it needs to perform these functions. Poor sleep can lead to stress, anxiety, and even a weakened immune system. Integrating calming movements before bed can make a huge difference in our sleep quality. Now let's explore these yoga poses to help you let go of tension, quiet your mind, and set the stage for deep, restful sleep. Number 1. Child's Pose, Balasana. We'll start with Child's Pose, a deeply calming posture that stretches the lower back and allows your mind to settle. Kneel on your mat, sit back on your heels, and fold forward, stretching your arms out in front of you. Let your forehead rest on the floor or a pillow, and breathe deeply, feeling your back expand with each breath. Hold this position for a minute, allowing your body to release any tension stored in your spine. Child's Pose grounds you, bringing your focus inward and helping to quiet mental chatter. It's an ideal way to start unwinding, as it's simple yet profoundly calming. Number 2. Legs Up the Wall, Viparita Karani. Legs Up the Wall is a restorative pose that encourages blood flow from the legs back toward the heart, relieving tired feet and promoting relaxation. Lie on your back and extend your legs up against a wall, letting your arms rest by your sides. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. This position helps lower your heart rate, calming your nervous system. Hold it for 2 to 3 minutes, feeling tension melt away. Legs Up the Wall is especially good for reducing swelling in the legs and feet and encouraging full body relaxation, perfect for setting the stage for sleep. Number 3. Reclining Bound Angle Pose, Supta Konasana. This gentle hip opener relieves tension in the hips and pelvis, which can be especially relaxing after a long day. Lie on your back, bring the soles of your feet together, and let your knees fall open. Place pillows or folded blankets under your knees for extra support if needed. Rest your hands on your belly or by your sides. Close your eyes and breathe deeply, focusing on expanding your abdomen with each inhale. This pose opens up tight areas in the hips and allows you to feel a greater sense of relaxation. Hold this pose for 1 to 2 minutes, fully releasing into the stretch. Number 4. Supine Spinal Twist, Supta Matsyendrasana. Supine Spinal Twist is wonderful for releasing tension in the lower back and gently twisting the spine. Lie on your back and bring your knees toward your chest. Gently lower your knees to the right, extending your arms out in a T shape, and turn your head to the left. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes, then switch sides. This twist wrings out stress in the spine and improves circulation, which aids in relaxation. Spinal twists are known for their calming effect on the nervous system, helping to prepare both body and mind for deep rest. Number 5. Cat-Cow Stretch, Matsyendrasana Balasana. Cat-Cow Stretch gently warms up the spine, releasing tension stored in the back and shoulders. Start on all fours with your hands under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, lifting your head and tailbone. Cow pose. Then exhale as you round your spine and tuck your chin to your chest. Cat pose. Move slowly through these 2 positions, focusing on each breath. Repeat for 1 minute, letting go of any stiffness in your back. This flowing movement calms the mind and loosens up the body, easing you into a state of relaxation. Number 6. Forward Fold, Uttanasana. Forward fold is a gentle inversion that helps relieve tension in the neck, shoulders, and back. Stand with feet hip-width apart. Bend at the hips and let your upper body hang toward the floor. You can keep your knees slightly bent to avoid straining the lower back. Let your arms dangle or clasp opposite elbows. Take deep breaths, allowing your spine to decompress with each exhale. This pose encourages blood flow to the brain, which can promote relaxation and reduce stress. Hold for 1 to 2 minutes, feeling the weight of your day drop away. Number 7. Corpse Pose, Savasana. Finish your routine with Savasana, the ultimate relaxation pose. Lie flat on your back with your arms by your sides, palms facing up. Let your feet fall open naturally. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths. Then let your breathing return to its natural rhythm. Release all tension in your body, letting go of any lingering thoughts or worries. boundaries. Savasana gives your body a final moment to absorb the benefits of the previous poses and fully unwind. Hold this pose for at least 2 to 3 minutes, allowing yourself to drift closer to sleep. Tips for a relaxing bedtime routine. To maximize the calming effects of these yoga poses, try creating a bedtime routine that prepares your mind and body for sleep. Dim the lights in your room, play soft, calming music if you like, and avoid screens for at least 30 minutes before bed. You can also add a few drops of lavender essential oil to a diffuser or pillow, as lavender is known to enhance relaxation. Keep your bedroom cool and comfortable, and consider journaling or reading for a few minutes to unwind mentally. Integrating this yoga routine into a consistent bedtime practice signals to your body that it's time to wind down, helping you fall asleep faster and sleep more deeply. How these poses benefit your sleep. Each of these yoga poses targets different areas of tension, helping to relax muscles, calm the mind, and prepare you for a peaceful night's rest. By regularly practicing these stretches, you're teaching your body to let go of stress and preparing it for restorative sleep. Yoga before bed can help reduce insomnia, ease anxiety, and even improve sleep quality over time. It's not just about physical relaxation. These poses calm the mind, too, helping you leave behind any worries from the day. Adding these 7 yoga poses to your nightly routine is a gentle, effective way to support both your mental and physical health. Sleep is essential for every part of our well-being, and by taking just a few minutes each evening to practice these calming poses, you're giving yourself the gift of deeper, more restorative sleep. Over time, this routine can help you fall asleep faster, stay asleep longer, and wake up feeling refreshed. Give these poses a try tonight and let them help you wind down with ease, preparing you for a night of truly restful sleep.